Okay, to my friend stuck in Tahiti, I pulled an SL164 machine on this test unit. Now look at this light door. I drew a picture of the rectifier, which is just 4 diodes in it. You got AC power coming in and DC power going back out. F1, F2, which goes back to the brushes. Here's the voltage regulator, F1, F2. These 2 wires, they go around the corner to the brush holder that's underneath there. That is just a resistor. I think you might have a gold looking thing, but it does exactly the same. There's the choke. The choke has the AC power coming in, and then the AC power goes to the AC side of the rectifier. This wire right next to it is the positive, and the one on that corner, as you can see, it says F2 on that wire. That is the negative, and this is the other AC wire. These are the 2 AC, these are the 2 DC wires powering it up. According to the schematic, maybe this should help you out, here's your rotor. It has the brushes on either side of the rotor, and it goes over the AVR. The AVR does not show the L1, L2 sensing wires on it, it just shows the DC wires. Here's the brake, the choke. This is choking your electricity from the auxiliary winding through the rectifier, which is sitting right here, which got the 4 connections on it. So these are the AC connections, and on the other side is your DC connections, F1, F2 going to your rotor. You measured these things, they were 0.4 ohms each and not going to ground, so that part of it is fine. So you're still stuck with a problem somewhere over here. From what you're telling me, and it's overheating, I believe the AVR is most likely stuck in full field and is no longer able to choke the voltage down going to your rotor, which overexcites it, which will create heat. If you cannot get that voltage down below 160, there's something wrong with it. On the regulator, that little screw right there is the adjustment screw for the voltage. That one with the sticker on it is the stability one. It's pretty much set from the factory. Here's the setup again. So you got the F1, F2 wires coming over here that go around to the rectifier. Same thing going to the thing, and here is whatever slows it down through the voltage regulator using the choke and the resistor to cut the voltage down. Most of the time it works the other way around. Normal generators, it senses the AC power coming in and it converts it to DC power going back out. Well, that's all I got. I'll put it on YouTube for you guys. Bye.